Everyday interactions. Greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Arya. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Have a great day. Small talk. How's the weather today? It's really hot outside. It looks like it's going to rain. What do you do? I'm a student. Where are you from? I'm from New Zealand. That's interesting. I love your accent. How long have you lived here? Shopping and money. How much does this cost? It's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Do you accept cards? I'll take this one. Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in another color? I'm just looking, thank you. That's a good deal. Eating out. I would like to order something to eat. What do you recommend? Can I have some water, please? The food smells delicious. Could I get the bill, please? Do you have vegetarian options? I'm allergic to peanuts. This tastes amazing. I'm full, thank you. Let's go out for dinner. At school or work? What time is the meeting? Can you help me with this? I don't understand. Could you explain that again? I'm still learning. That's a great idea. I'll finish it by tomorrow. I need a break. Let's work together. Good job, everyone. Traveling. Where is the nearest bus stop? How far is it from here? Can we get a taxi here? What time does the train leave? I'm looking for this address. Is it within walking distance? Please drop me here. How much is the fare? That was a long trip. I love visiting new places. Phone and online communication. Can you hear me? I'll call you back later. Please send me the details. Sorry, my phone battery is low. I got your message. Let's chat tomorrow. I'm online now. Can we do a video call? Thank you for replying. Talk to you soon. At home. I'm doing the dishes. Let's clean the room. Dinner is ready. I'm watching TV. I'm feeling sleepy. Please close the door. The light is too bright. Turn off the stove, please. Let's go to bed. Good night. Expressing feelings. I'm so happy today. I feel a bit tired. That makes me sad. I'm so excited. I'm worried about it. Don't be angry. I'm just joking. That's really funny. You made my day. I really appreciate it. polite expressions. Excuse me, please. I'm sorry for the mistake. No problem. Thank you very much. You are welcome. That's okay. Could you help me, please? Take care of yourself. Have a safe trip. See you later. Thank you for watching.